Hi, my name is Oliver, and today I'm going to show you how to change the brakes on the Elise. What tools are needed for this service? 1/4 ratchet with Allen key 5. 1 service cable for dismounting the brakes. Crowbar might be needed. Torque wrench, and don't forget the gloves. All this is part of our First Green basic toolbox. If you don't have this one yet, please contact your sales representative. And now let's take a look at the X-Change itself. First, secure the machine against movement. The machine should be cooled down from operating temperature prior to the task. Otherwise, there is a risk of injury. Disconnect the machine from the battery. Raise and secure the cabin. Memorize or take pictures of the color coding of the connectors the way they are connected. If you have the connectors pictured, you can disconnect them and remove the brake bolts. Then we can come to disassemble the brake first on the right side and then on the left. Be careful when removing the brake. You may need a crowbar in case of high resistance, in case the brake is attached too firmly to the shaft. The moment you have the brake off, check the shaft grooves on the motor shaft for possible damage. If damaged, must be replaced. If the O-ring is on, it needs to be removed. Now we can fit the new brakes. Warning, it is forbidden to release the brake with a service cable before installation. Warning, before mounting, the brake centering must be checked. During the actual installation process, the left brake is mounted first. It is necessary to install the brake smoothly. It is forbidden to use lubricants. The tightening torque is 20 Newton meters for tightening bolts. Repeat the process for the right brake. Here you go. Now let's test the brakes with a service cable, and you need to hear a distinct click. If the test is successful, we connect the connectors and arrange the wiring. There must be no wiring between the engine fins and the cab. Finally, we close the cabin. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced your brakes. If you have any questions, please contact us at service@first.green, and we will be happy to help.